Hey Deegan, it's Sally. I wanted to jump on just to share with you some step-by-step instructions for getting your videos for your different escape activities put on Flipgrid. So hopefully this is helpful, and if you have any other questions, you can text or email me back. So follow along on my screen to see what you got to do. First thing is you want to go to flipgrid.com. So if you type that in, it will just take you to this homepage. And you will want to go to enter a flip code right down here. And our code for our class is Sally, it's kind of hard to see, Sally Q as in quarter 4. So you'll type in Sally Q4. Click the blue arrow. You'll want to log in with Google, your school Google account. And then you should get to a page that looks like this. The way that the topics are organized is by the week and then by the activity number. So on any given week, you might have, we have maybe 3 days of school, 3 activities, 4 days of school, 4 activities. So for example, last week we had school Monday through Thursday. So we had 4 activities for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We'll also have 4 for this coming week because it will be Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So you can see that last week there was week 1, activity 1, week 2, activity 1, activity 2, activity 3, activity 4. So you will click on the grid where you want to post. So maybe you want to post your first activity for last week. And you can see here that there are all the videos that your classmates posted. And so if you want to get some examples for what you can post, you can look here. When you are ready to record your video, you'll click on the green button and you will record your video here. Hello. And post it to the grid. A couple things to bear in mind. One is that you won't see every single student's video on here. You are allowed to, if you would prefer not to have your video shown to the whole class, you can let me know that in the video description and I won't post it to the whole class grid. And that also means that when you post your video, because it is a moderated page, you can see here that it says moderated. That means that I have to look at every video before I post them to the class grid. So don't freak out if you record a video and upload it to the grid and then you don't see it right away. Once I have viewed it and graded it, then I'll post it to the grid if you'd like me to, and that's how you will see your own work amongst your fellow students. When you're ready to go to the next grid, you'll just click on week 2, activity 2, same thing here, and activity 3 and activity 4. If you have any questions about any of that, I'm here to answer, but I hope that that maybe gave you a little bit of a clear idea what you are meant to do. Thanks.